Today we're staying at the world's first 5-star ice hotel that's literally a palace made out of ice. And now we're arriving to the hotel on a dog sled. And I couldn't be more excited because this is just not an ice hotel, but it's also the world's largest. With having mind-blowing amenities, crazy activities, and we're spending the next 24 hours here. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Ice Hotel. Refreshing. Okay, I need to show you guys around. Everything isn't ice, obviously, but it's still insanely cool. Like, the bar is all ice. The seats are completely ice. The stairs are ice. The music going on like ice and electronic music. Ice and electronic music.